Okay, so the video I'm going to be sharing with you today is a Easter/springtime side dish. We're going to be doing a 7-layer salad, or some call it pea salad. You're going to need some frozen peas, cheddar cheese, bacon. I'm using the microwave bacon, red onion, some tomatoes, and a lettuce head. For the dressing, you're going to need 1 cup of mayo, a 1/2 cup sour cream, some salt and pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. So let's get this started and let me show you how to put it together. It's going to be really simple and it's going to be delicious. So excited. I finally got my stovetop and my new dishwasher in to finish off our kitchen makeover. First thing I'm going to do, we're going to put this in a trifle dish. I think it's just going to look beautiful in that. Is I'm going to use a colander and I'm going to rinse our peas under warm water to thaw them. All right, our first layer we're going to do is our lettuce. Now I'm just doing a small one because it's just had so I got a very small lettuce head. You want to rinse your vegetables off before you use them and chop them up. Just rinse that off. And I like mine in small pieces. All right, there's our lettuce in that first layer. See how pretty that'll look from the side? Put that right there. Now the second layer, let me get this lettuce off here. The second layer we're going to do are our tomatoes. And I'm going to rinse these off as well. I'm going to start with one. And I had a new WRIGHT tomato knife I had forgotten about. So we're going to use that baby today. I'm just going to cut it in rather small pieces. Have you ever made pea salad? Do you like pea salad? My sister usually makes pea salad for every holiday that we have. She makes really good pea salad. She definitely puts the secret ingredient in all of her food. And my mom did as well, and my other sister did as well. So what we're going to do with our trifle dish is we're just going to take our tomatoes, and mostly we're going to make sure that the outside is lined with some tomatoes. So you're going to see that when you look in to the side. Okay, so when you look to the side, you're going to see tomatoes all around it. Let's get this tomato juice off of this one. The next layer we're going to do is a red onion. Now your red onions can be really sharp, so we want to dice this pretty small. Let's just separate all these. Those are so strong. I'm definitely only going to put half of that in there. And we're just going to put it right around the edges. Like that right there. Ooh, that's strong. My eyes are watering. Whew. That is some strong onion. Whew. Right, look how pretty that's looking. Now the next step is our peas. I drained our peas under warm water so they could thaw. We want to make sure that we definitely get those around the sides so you can see that layer. So we've got see there how pretty that looks so far? Isn't that beautiful? Now let's make our dressing, and I'm going to put our microwave bacon in the microwave to prepare it. Okay, the next step we're going to do is our dressing, and then we're going to add some ingredients on top. We're going to do 1 cup of mayo. It says to use full fat. I'm using the mayo olive oil, so it's half the fat, but they recommend full fat. And I do too. I just don't have any. So 1 cup of mayo. A half cup of sour cream. Also the full fat of that. Half a cup of sour cream going in. Then we've got our seasonings, which are salt, pepper, garlic powder, and sugar. You're going to use salt and pepper to taste, ½ teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Whisk it up. Getting more pepper. I'm out of regular pepper, so I've got this peppercorns, and I prefer this for some recipes, but I'm out of the regular. Okay. Now we're going to put our dressing right on top. Getting a little bit of peas in there, you know. That's okay. I just want to make sure you can see it from the side as well. Okay. All right. Now we've got our dressing. See there? Now the next thing we're going to put on is our cheddar cheese. Got a bag of Tillamook. We're going to use 2 cups or more or less if you prefer. I'm going to put this around the sides first and then on top. Oh my, that is really pretty, isn't it? I think that is beautiful for an Easter dinner or lunch. And the last thing we're going to do is put our bacon on. And we may need more bacon. I did get 2 boxes. I'm going to start with the first one and we'll see. And I like to use just kitchen shears and just crunch them right up on top. And I like a lot of bacon, so if this isn't enough, of course, use more. Bacon's flying everywhere, ain't it? I definitely think we probably could use more, but it's totally up to you. Okay, here we go. What do you all think? More bacon or less? I think it's good. I mean, I prefer more, but should I have it? No. Look at that. Isn't that a picture of beauty? All right, let me take a picture of it for my thumbnail. Okay, everyone. When we eat this, we're going to do a taste test. And if I forget, just know it's absolutely delicious. My sister has made this many times, the same recipe, and it's amazing. I think it looks so impressive in a trifle dish. And like I said, a lot of people call it 7-layer salad. Some people call it pea salad. We call it pea salad. But whatever you call it, it's amazing. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I've shared... There's going to be a series of 6 recipes for Easter. I've shared a coconut poke cake, a coconut cream pie, a squash and zucchini casserole, and now this pea salad. Don't forget to come back because I've got 2 more cakes that you are going to love. If you're enjoying this video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up or like button for me. It really helps me out. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that and hang out with me.